Lost in the city lights, feels like a dream. Wander through markets on a cool summer's eve. Sip on some tea down by the bay. Life's just a rhythm we sweat every day. Every day. High-rise apartments touch the sky's frame. One shot of Kowloon, it's all the same. Late night noodles, a taste so divine. In this urban jungle where the stars always shine. Lazy days in Hong Kong, we just vibe. Cruising on trams in a slow steady ride. Life sparkles here in a million ways. We're living for these golden days. Lanterns line the streets with a soft glow. In the city's heartbeat, we find our flow. Victoria Peak views take our breath away. Sunset memories in hues of red and gray. Jump boats drifting on the harbor's kiss. Neon signs paint the night with bliss. Morning dim sum in the heart of town. In this vibrant place we'll never come down. Lazy days in Hong Kong, we just vibe. Cruising on trams in a slow steady ride. Life sparkles here in a million ways. We're living for these golden days. Wake up slow and see the sun. Life's a game, we've just begun. Coffee warms my lazy bones. Smile cracks foam-free zones. Walk the streets with music low. Books and thoughts in steady flow. Pause to watch the clouds go by. Chasing dreams like birds in sky.